how to use ChatGPT for your real estate career. As we know, artificial intelligence is all over the place. It's the new thing in town and everybody's talking about. So now, how can we use it in our business, in our real estate business? We can have many uses. For example, ChatGPT can help you create a marketing piece in less than 1 minute. Can create letters, can create these strategies for you to present better, a conversation with a client. It's so many, so good things that you can do. But obviously, you have to help. It's not going to create like a specific. You have to give a good talking point in order for ChatGPT to give you the best result. Because my experience is that it gives you a generic information if you don't ask the right question. So you need to know what are the questions that you're going to ask ChatGPT for you to get better result. My experience is that if you want to be even more successful in the real estate business, you need to adapt. You need to be open-minded and start using our artificial intelligence in your benefit, and our benefit. Because in the past, I have seen agents who tell me, I'm being in the business for a very long time, and they don't want to change. My recommendation is this. We need to adapt. We need to evolve. We need to change for the better, and we have to be open-minded. For that reason, I recommend for you to look into it more closely. I'm sure you're going to like it. My name is Hector Villatoro. I'm the broker for RB Realty. If you have any question, 631-617-5135. Thank you very much.